Hey everyone, today I'm gonna check out this. This is a video lighting kit. And maybe Olive will come say hi.
Hello!
Because I know you like her better than me anyways.
I'm more fun.
Way more fun. Understandable though. So let's see what we got in here. So the box is empty.
That looks boring. BT dubs.
Looks like what?
That looks boring.
Boring? Well, unless you're doing video. But you do videos.
I do videos.
So look at this. So it comes with this thing, which looks like
But I
it's
have
a
tripod already, so I don't really need it.
This one would be like portable or something. Oh, look at that. I don't even know how that's gonna work. Let's see. So it comes with this. Weird. Seems like it's screwed in the wrong way. Oh, you unscrew it from here, and then it becomes the tripod, and then you rescrew it in there. Check it out. And now you have the tripod going the right way. And then you get one of these little knuckles. If you've seen these before, these let you change the direction of the angle so it screws in there so you can change to adjust it. And then this is, not sure, probably to hold the light. And then this is the light. So let's check this out. This is WeeYLite, W-E-E-Y-L-I-T-E, WeeYLite. And it's Coral series is the style. Let's see how this opens. It's glazed blue. Rip the box, opening it. This is what the box looks like. And then there. I guess you can scan it. Intelligent control via the mobile app. So I'll have to scan it with this to actually be able to control it. I don't have my phone because my phone is what I'm videoing it with. But we're going to try it out anyways and see if we can do it without it. So let's see. So this is what the light looks like. And it's got the same information on it there with the little QR code. I'll have to save that to make sure I scan it. And then this is the light here. So check it out. And oh, it's already charged. And then it's got, ooh, too bright. So here, you can see what it looks like. This is what I would look like with the light on. So you see, it really does light you up. So it's really good for selfie lights. And I'm guessing right now, I can see the different colors in there. It'll have different colors that I can control with my phone. So I'll actually put in the comments, I'll kind of explain how I did that with that. But then here, we can screw this into it. And it came with this other one here. So this one here. So if you have like a shoe mount, you can actually use it for that too. So it's got the little little mount for that. You can kind of see right there. So it'll go with that. And then you have this, and then it screws in up top. And there it is. So it's a light on a tripod. So pretty sweet. So this will be good for doing some of these selfies. And I'll even try it right now. You can see, I can just put it right there. And there, I'm lit up now. So I like it. So thumbs up for me. And I'm guessing this will let you connect up other stuff or whatever to it too. So seems good. Oh, this will let you mount it to something else. So if you're gonna mount it to it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.